guess what? Norman's here, and then Susie's here, and Frank's here. And then Bodie and Luna are here, and the assistants are here. And I'm here too. And
I'm here.
And,
What about Mommy?
and Mommy's here too. And guess what? Luna's a little mischievous. Bodie's so mischievous. He's butter. Yeah, he's butter off the counter. Yes, he does. I'm not kidding. I'm really not kidding. Really, I'm for real. Like, really. Bubblegum. And our slice is in the garbage. That's because I just ate some while watching a movie. Wait, what movie? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. That movie.
Tyler,
That movie.
what about Norman and the
What
dog?
was the question that we were trying?
And subscribe. And look, these dogs were trying to get Norman. Remember I said subscribe? If you think the dogs are gonna eat Norman, you better subscribe if you better subscribe because these two dogs were trying to get that.
But did they eat Norman?
No.
Okay.
Norman's still here.
Yeah, because he's right there. So
Who saved Norman?
yeah, he saved Norman.
Wacky Tyler made a
If you don't know what that book is,
placement of Norman.
leave comments down below if you know what that book is.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Calvin, say bye. Assistant. Bye-bye.
Bodie, say bye. Bye.
That's not Bodie.
I know. Bodie was the same time. Bodie and Luna said bye and bye.
down.
No.
Bye. You say bye too, Mommy.
Bye.